What's up, everybody? It's Mr. Jenkins here from mgmclassiccars.com, Addison, Illinois. Today I'm bringing you this new arrival 1955 Ford Thunderbird. Beautiful example of one of these. What a classy car. I'm going to dive into this thing a little deeper. Now, this thing's got the beautiful red paint, and the body is in actually really great shape. Hard to find with one of these cars. Period correct wire wheels and white wall tires. It's got the 292 Ford V8. At the time, performance-oriented engine. This was the competitor to the Corvette. But I always thought the Thunderbird was a little classier. Let's go ahead and shut this hood. The trick with these hoods is I like to let them down first a little bit and then close them in the middle so you don't cause any problems. It's got the nice Thunderbird scoop on it. Very iconic for this car. Now we're gonna head to the interior, and the doors open beautifully on this thing. Power seats and power windows. Beautiful red interior with white inserts. Let's give this thing a rev so you can hear it. Factory tach. This thing is just a really cool car. It's got its own unique feel. The huge steering wheel of the era, of course. Here's your floor shifter. This car isn't automatic. You have a radio that was put in. Aftermarket AM, FM. Sounds pretty good. There's your climate controls and your glove box over there. Your power windows. Up. The four-way seat. Some cool features on this 1955 Ford Thunderbird. Let's go move on to the trunk. Now, before I open the trunk, you get your spare tire. And here's your dual exhaust. Right in here in the bumper, integrated. Really cool. Now, let's get our trunk key, which is the round key. And you're gonna slide that over a little bit. Put the key in upside down, because it's a Ford. And you're going to actually first push this down to move this away, and then the trunk will open. That's when you open the trunk. Inside the trunk, pretty clean. You get your nice trunk mat. Underneath it is very clean. This thing was done right. Whoever restored it did a really good job. All the correct stickers, jacking instructions. Ford Trim OK sticker, just really cool. Got the two flags. There's your, I believe where your gas door would be once you close the trunk. Cool little design. Now, to move this back, you're gonna push down and let off. Boom, clicks right back into place. That's your spare tire. Really common on this era of cars. They always had the spare tire back here. Always looked very cool, and it's a classy, elegant thing of the past. Very cool. Now, if you're interested in this car, please contact us at mgmclassiccars.com. This car is located at our warehouse where we have around 250 cars in stock. And Jim Classic Cars, just like on the license plate right there. Or you can reach us at 847-848-1850, of course. We offer special financing for our classic cars with great monthly payments and shipping all over the United States. Open and closed, bonded and insured. So if you choose this one or any of our other cars, you could get this baby shipped straight to your doorstep or your garage door with no problem. We get new cars in almost every day. You're not going to want to miss a thing, so keep checking the YouTube channel and keep checking the website, because we got more coming almost every day and you ain't going to want to miss them. My name is Mr. Jenkins, and it's been a pleasure showing you this gorgeous 1955 Ford Thunderbird. I hope everyone has a great day, and I hope to see you here soon at Jim Classic Cars. Remember, our business hours are 9 a.m. to 5 p.m. Monday through Friday, Saturday 10 a.m. to 2 p.m., all by appointment only. So have a great day, and stop on by one of these days. Let's get you the dream car that you've always wanted, because it sure looks good here, but it'll look a whole lot better in your garage. Have a great day, everyone, and thanks for watching. Bye-bye.